Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I actually go ahead and upload cleaning videos and lifestyle videos. Excuse this mess up here. I tried to do a bun and it didn't work out, guys. Anyway, I am so excited to be doing this collab today with one of my brand new friends. Her name is Amber, and I will put her channel right here so you can see. The link will be in the description box, and her channel's name is AMBAM'S Life. Sorry, did not mean to butcher your channel's name, girl. Anyway, she uploads cleaning videos, DIY videos, home videos, vlogs, just everything you can think of. Part of her life, she has 4 adorable little babies that are so cute. She has one that's already in school, and then she has 3 that she stays home and takes care of, guys. So make sure you go ahead and go check her out. If you are coming from her channel, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around and enjoy many more videos from me. So today, we are gonna actually be doing a power hour, guys. So as you see, I have this dreaded list of my power hour of what I need to get done, guys. So yeah, there's like a couple of things on here. Some of them are, you know, majority of them are pretty easy to get done. It's actually late at night, so it's kind of like a nighttime power hour before I go to bed. So let me show you what time it is, guys. That way we can get into this video for today for our cleaning, because it just gotta happen, guys. We gotta clean. Whether we want to or not, we gotta clean. Let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, it is 9:45 at night, so I have till 10:45 to get all my stuff done. So ready, set, let's go clean, guys. guys, so yeah, this is what happens when you touch it and you completely forgot that you just used a rag to take off the pan from it, and yet you go to grab it so you can clean the stove. So yeah, I burned my finger, guys, so give me a thumbs up for at least burning my finger. Free entertainment, guys, come on. Okay guys, so we're actually gonna take a break from cleaning. I'm holding this ice since my fingers burn really bad because again, I went retarded and I grabbed that from the stove. So we're definitely gonna go over our hour, guys, but I did want to let y'all know this. So yeah, this is life, hey, right? This is real life, guys. Okay guys, it is now 10:11 and I have this ice cold wash rag along my fingers. So we're gonna still try to get this done, guys. Okay guys, so it is actually 10:46 right now, and yeah, I have 3 bandage fingers because 3 fingers are burned. So we put ointment on them and bandages until my husband gets home from the gym. Just to let you know, so hopefully you don't worry. But hey, if you feel bad for me, give this video a thumbs up. Go follow me on Instagram. I would love to have you join my family, guys. And just to show you, this was my list right here. And as you can see, I have a couple things I did not get to do, which was sweep the kitchen, sweep the living room, and mop both the kitchen and the living room. But since we have burned fingers, we kind of can't do that. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, make sure to come back next week and even check out my video on Friday. That way you can see what I'll be posting this Friday, because who knows? It's a Friday video, so it could be any type of video ever. So, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go check out my friend, guys. Talk to y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.